Stop wasting hours writing your Fiverr gig description by completely yourself. What if I told you that you can write high converting gig description in just few minutes using Claude.ai? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Claude.ai in the right way to create Fiverr gig description that no one will tell you on YouTube, that actually build trust and get you more orders. I'm not going to give you the same method everyone else keeps telling you. I will tell you how to create smart, optimized description that helps you to stand out from your competitors in 2026. So if your gig is not converting because of description, this video is going to fix that. Let's get started. Step 1, open a notepad and write a main keyword which you want to rank for. Like I will take example of this keyword, design Shopify website, and under that write 4 relevant keyword that you want to rank for. Step 2, go to buying section on Fiverr and write your main keyword here, design Shopify website. Click on search. Now what you have to do, open 10 of your competitors gig and take screenshot of their gig description. Step 3, go to cluade.ai and upload the screenshot of your competitors gig description. Now I will give you one prompt. That prompt you have to use here, and then it will create high converting gig description. Let me show you how to use this prompt. So here you have to make some edits, like under the about me column you have to write about you, like what is your expertise, what you do, how much experience you have, how you will help your clients, everything you have to write here. And under gig column you have to write gig title, and under third column you have to write targeted buyers, like whom you are gonna target. I will target Shopify store owners who want professional high converting Shopify store. Under the fourth column you have to write what problem you will solve and what you will do, like I redesigned the Shopify websites that are not performing good and I do Shopify speed optimization. Under the fifth column you have to write what you will include in the gig, what you will offer in the gig, like I will offer full store redesign, mobile optimization, creating custom section, theme setup and speed up optimization. And under the sixth column you have to write what makes you different from other sellers, USP, like unique selling point. I do proper brand research, audience analysis and competitor research for your brand. And under the seventh column you don't have to write anything, and under the eighth column you have to write keywords that you want to rank for, and rest you don't have to change anything. After this, use this prompt in claude.ai, and now this will generate high converting description for you. It will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes, and this will tell you everything what your competitors doing right, what they are doing wrong, and how to write better description than your competitors. And this is the best way in 2026 to write a description. And let me tell you, before writing your Fiverr gig description, keep these 3 things in your mind. Your description should be easy to read and clearly structured. It must be SEO optimized and include 4 to 5 relevant keywords that you want to rank for, and clearly list the problems you will solve for your clients and include them in the description. And this is the best way I think no one has ever told you on YouTube. And it's 2026, and if you are not using AI to help you, you are doing big mistake. As you can see, Claude AI has generated best high converting description for your Fiverr gig. And one more thing, don't just copy and paste it directly in your gig description. Take 5 minutes, assume your client and read the entire description carefully. Ask yourself, if I was the client, would I hire this person or not? And if you feel something that is missing in the description, you can add it. That's how you write high quality Fiverr description with the help of Claude.ai. That's it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below.